What are we gonna do?
Ring around.
Do you wanna do Rosie? Okay, well, hold on. Alright, you ready? Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we fall down now.
We all fall down. Yay!
Ashes, hugs.
What is that? Paige, what is it? Is that a puzzle?
Posies? Ashes, are we doing it again? Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Yay!
Good
High
job. High five.
five. No? Is that your blankie? Okay.
Do you like your blankie? You like the blankie Aunt Kathy made you?
What book is this? What book is this? Blankie? No. Oh! Are we reading the ballerina book? If I were a ballerina, I would wear a beautiful glittering tutu. It feels how? Scratchy. I would dance in shiny satin shoes. They feel silky. I would wear sparkling jewels in my hair. They feel bumpy. I would put all my things in my ballet bag. It feels